ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। So, Shri Chaitanya Bhagavat, chapter 13, the deliverance of Jagai and Madhai, text number 18. We saw in text 17 how Ekman, Lord Nityananda, is instructing every soul to worship the Lord single-pointedly, one-pointedly, exclusively, with all attention. Kari Ekman, understanding that all other demigods and gods are his part.
आप किसी को कहेंगे आप नारायण हैं, भगवान का भक्त, तो कान बंद कर
as him and his holy names. यही माता नदी आए प्रति घरे घरे, भूलिया वे दान दुई जगत ईश्वरे. In this way, both the controllers of the universe, Jagata Ishware. Here Srila Haridas Thakur is also addressed as a controller, even though he is a devotee, because he is very powerful due to his constant chanting of the holy names. Sometimes in the Bhagavatam, Narada is also addressed as Bhagavan, though he is the Shakti-Avesh avatar, Jiva Tattva. He does not possess all the six opulences in full, just like the Lord, but still, because the pure devotee is as independent as the Lord in giving his mercy everywhere. Krishna te tomar, Krishna dite bar, tomar shakati ache. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying that Krishna is yours and you can give Krishna to others. O Gurudev, O Acharya, O Vaishnava, O pure devotee. So that power the pure devotee is having, that is why sometimes even the pure devotees are addressed as Ishvara, powerful controller, because he controls the Lord by the power of his devotion, his love. Buliya Vedanandul. In that way, speaking like that, Buliya Vedan Prati Ghare Ghare. In that way, in every town, every home in Navadvip, both these great Acharyas, Jagat Guru Srila Nityananda Prabhu and Jagat Guru Srila Namacharya Haridas Thakur. Nityananda Prabhu is the origin of all Gurus, Guru Tattva. So he is every home. They did not leave out any home, and they were speaking that is instructions that please take the name of Lord Gauranga Krishna, please sing his holy names and please worship him, and at the end please others about his holy name. Actually, when we distribute books also on the street or through the internet, e-publishing, whatever we do, the ultimate goal is the Nama Prachar, because Sarva Mantra Sara Nama, Sarva Shastra Sara Nama. The essence of all scripture is Nama, to chant the name. So there is no use if one just does a dry reading or hearing of the scripture but does not take up the process of Naam Bhajan, chanting the name. So Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas, they are starting the Upadesh by saying Bala Krishna, because first you have to chant the name, otherwise you can't do anything further in Bhakti Yoga. Has to start from Bala, speak is the name. So we go over to text 19 and 20. Sannyasi Vesha Jai Jar Ghare Athe Vyathe Ashi Bhiksha Nimantrana Kare. Both Nityananda Prabhu and Gauranga. So, Dohana Sannyasi Vesh Jai Jar Ghare. Because both of them were dressed in garb of a sannyasi, renounced order, saffron dress. That is why whenever they used to visit the home of any person, immediately the people of the family members would used to come outside and Bhiksha Nimantrana Kare and invite them, because 500 years ago there was respect for sannyasis, there was respect for those who are in the renounced order. Or nowadays it's very scarce to find any. In fact, there are so many unscrupulous people who have taken up the garb of renunciation and cheating the people, that people have lost all their faith in this saffron color. In the Western countries, they don't even identify, they don't even know what is this Western the saffron dress. So for them it is not much different than anybody else. So Bhiksha, but in the Vedic times here, Nitai and Haridas, they were immediately invited to have prasadam in the home wherever they went. Bhiksha Nimantrana Kare. Nityananda Haridasa bole, Ei Bhiksha, Bala Krishna Bhaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Shiksha. And Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas, they would reply, we don't want to eat in your home, we want only one Bhiksha. Don't give us the Bhiksha of alms, we don't want alms. We want the alms of these three alms. Bala Krishna, Bhaja Krishna, Kara Krishna Shiksha. Take the name of the Lord, worship Him and spread His name. That is the alms we want from you. We don't have time to eat in everyone's home, because if we start eating, we have a lot of homes to cover, a lot of souls to meet. So we please take up the simple message, and Lord Gauranga has told us to move quickly because we have less time, and we have to reach out to so many conditioned souls. Text 21. Ei bola bali dui jana chali jai, je jana sujana she bada sukha pai. So in that way, after speaking like this, immediately both of these great personalities immediately left that home and they would go to another home and start walking on the street of Navadvip. So and those who were pious people immediately felt great bliss, became ecstatic in love to receive this instruction directly from the lotus mouth of Lord Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur. Most pleased, they were speaking in this way. हे जन सुजन से बड़ा सुख पाए. So text 22. अपरूप सुनी लोग दूजनार मुखे, नाना जने नाना कथा कहे नाना सुखे. So hearing these unprecedented words, aparupa. Aparupa means so many people used to visit their homes, but nobody used to give them this kind of divine instructions. Normally people would come to gossip, or people would come to market their goods. In the modern times also we receive so many salesmen in our homes, either through phone or through personal meeting or through emails. So many people are willing to sell us the goods, and so many people want to discuss the day-to-day subject matters, but very, very rare that we receive a guest who teaches us about the Lord, who tells us how to make a success of this human form of life, how to do it by taking the name of the Lord, who explains us the glories of chanting and the name. Even among preachers, it's very rare to find a preacher who glorifies the name profusely, because the Nama Mahima, the name, glories of the name is the only way it will make us offenseless. By hearing the glories of the name, we will develop a desire to chant the name with devotion, with rapt attention. Otherwise, it will become a routine. Chanting the name will become a routine if you don't hear the glories of the name. So we require someone to always remind us. Actually, we are Nityananda and Haridas are directly coming to instruct the souls. And even though we are not able to directly see the Lord in front of us, instructing us, but still we are quite fortunate in Kali Yuga that we have Chaitanya Bhagavat, Chaitanya Charitamrita directly written by those associates who have seen the Lord face to face. In the next Chatur Yuga, Kali Yuga, there will be no books like these. Vyasadeva will write a Purana about Gauranga and Nityananda. But Vyasadeva has not directly participated in the pastime. Of course, he came as Vrindavan Das, not as Vyasa. So these books of Chaitanya Bhagavat are very special. We are getting this in this Kali Yuga. So we can actually see him, and we have such an advanced technology now through the computer. We can search any shloka, any verse. We can read, we can understand any commentary whenever we want. We can see the Lord face to face in the form of the scripture. We can even hear in audio. We can see a video sitting millions of miles away, far away. We can see the same katha going on. So we should immediately take the advantage. Nana jane, nana katha, kaye nana sukhe. So different people had different realizations of Nityananda and Haridas' association. They started speaking in different ways, how they felt so much bliss by having Nityananda and Haridas in their home. Nana jana nana katha kahe nana sukhe. And with great bliss they were experiencing different blissful mellows. That regard. Aparupa, and the wonderful experience. Anyone who sees the Lord once becomes blissful in love. What to speak of hearing His words, His divine words, and what to speak of, feeling close to Him like that, following His instructions. What to speak of receiving direct instructions from the Lord. One has to be very, very fortunate. The souls who appeared in Navadvip, took birth in Navadvip, they are not ordinary because they were destined to directly see the Lord and receive instructions from him. Text 23. Kariba kariba keha balaye santoshe keha bole dui jana shipta mantra doshe. Some pious devotees became very happy and they said, Kariba, Kariba, we will wholeheartedly chant the name and worship the Lord for the rest of our life. Immediately they accepted the order of the Lord. But there were some people who had very of piety, and in their heart they had some envy towards the Lord. So even though the Lord personally came to see him face to face, some people said, "Oh, these two may have become crazy." Shipta, they have become crazy due to the power of the mantra, due to the power of the chanting. They have become
Nityananda and
Haridas. They have become deformed in their mind. Shipta. See their audacity. They are telling the Lord is crazy. Actually, they are crazy because they are not understanding the glories of the instruction of Nityananda. He is so dayalu. He is so merciful. Lord Balaram never left his divine pastimes. But when he came in Kali Yuga, Balaram is going to every home begging them. The rebellious souls have already left the Lord and come in this material world. What is the need for the Lord to go and beg each of them personally? He can send his representatives, or he can, come from time to time and perform his pastime. But what is the need for him to go to them? It's only if he comes in his most exclusively merciful form of Nityananda, then he goes to them. Duijana Shipta Mantra Doshi. They have become crazy because of this mantra, and they are intoxicated under its influence, so will not listen to them. Text 24. Tomara pagala hla dushta sanga doshe amasaba pagala karite asikishe. They told Nitai, they told Nityananda and Haridas, see, you both of you are already gone crazy by wrong association, bad association. So why are you not satisfied with that? Why are you coming and trying to make us crazy? Actually, Prabhupada wrote an essay, who is crazy actually? Actually, the person, the most ill-fated person who is giving up the holy names, he is crazy. Because for such a person, an animal body is ensured in the next life. Guaranteed, if one envious towards the holy name and towards the most merciful form, incarnation of God, Lord Nityananda. Instead of thanking the Lord, instead of being grateful, my dear Lord, your divine pastimes, you're leaving your pastimes and coming to my home, my dear Lord, I am so fortunate. Instead of feeling great affection for the Lord, they are criticizing the Lord. Text 25. Bhavya sabhya loka sabha haila pagal nimai pandita nashta karila sakal. They continued. They said, oh, there's so many civilized and very elite people who were very affluent in a society. They have become crazy and mad by the influence of this Nimai Pandit. this Nimai Pandit has destroyed the mental balance of this people, and now they are coming to teach us. So what a misfortune that Ja lagi tara avatar ta sabara nachinite par. And Lord Nityananda came to deliver those souls, and those souls are not here, understanding that He is the Lord. Oh, what a great misfortune! I beg repeatedly under the lotus feet of Lord Nityananda that, my dear Lord, please never make me commit the same mistake which they are doing. If you come to my door, I should welcome Nitai. I should not think him to be an ordinary man. It requires great mercy, great. So I always beg the Lord that when the Lord will reveal Himself, please never make me misunderstand you, your position, your divine position. Otherwise I will go to hell. Text 26. जे गोला चैतन्य नित्ये ना पाहिल द्वार तारबाडी गेले मात्र बले मार मार. And especially those people who are not allowed entry into the nocturnal pastimes of Lord Gauranga in Srivasangam, in Srivasa's home in the night. Those devotees, those people, they got a chance to vent their anger and revenge. Instead of thinking that, oh, I am not qualified, instead of becoming humble and thanking the Lord at least to give them birth in Navadvip during their pastime, they become angry. Oh, you are not allowing us into your pastimes in the night. So when they went to these people's homes, they started shouting, beat them, maar. Catch them and beat them. Started shouting. So we have to be very careful that we do not commit this mistake of not recognizing Lord Nityananda when He comes to give us our mercy. Then we will be doomed. So text 27. Keha bale ei duyu jana ki ba chora chara chala kari charchiya bolaye ghara ghara. Some other people said, oh, these two are like chora chara, they are like spies of a thief, of a gang leader. A gang leader has sent them as spies to come and knock in our homes and see what positions we have in our homes. On the pretext of preaching the holy names, they want to investigate in our homes so that they can make robbery easily at a later point of time. Text 28. Actually, in one way they are true, because Nityananda and Haridas were coming to steal away their apathy towards bhakti, steal away their lust, anger, greed, all the bad qualities in them. They were coming to steal it away and make them pure devotees by giving them love. The name of one name of Lord Gauranga Krishna is Hari. Hari means one who takes away the anarthas, the bad qualities, the the things which are stopping us from seeing the Lord face to face. So that the thing the Lord is personally coming to take away. But spies, but people thinking they are thief, they are coming to take away our material possessions. What does Nityananda need in material possessions? All the millions and billions of universes are there in the pores of his body. What does he need? All the opulence is there within him. He does not need any material opulence. What foolishness people are exhibiting here. Instead of allowing him to, sometimes some people accuse Prabhupada of brainwashing. Prabhupada said, yes, this is brainwashing. By chanting, the brain is washed from the stool of contamination of material existence. So that is good. What is the problem? One should accept. Why one should... instead here they are accusing the Lord of becoming a thief to steal their material possessions. In fact, Nityananda is telling them that just keep your material possessions, keep your situation in life. Thane sthita shrutigatam tanua. Don't change your position. I am just telling you that whatever position you are, you please take up the holy names, please worship the Lord, please spread His name to others. No need to change your position. They are thinking that the Lord has come to take away their position. Text 28. Ehi mata prakatake ne kariba sujane arabar ashe jadi laiba dhyane. So you're saying, oh, why would good people roam like this from house to house? Good people have no business in visiting others' house uninvited. Why would they are going? Next time if they come, we will call the soldiers of the king and get them arrested. So you see that even Kali Yuga has started 500 years back. That even now it has become very worse. That if you go from home to home to spread the names, people consider you as some fanatic or some kind of a person who has no other business to do, some loafer or some what do you call vagabond. People think like vagabond going from home to home, no other business, useless, and they keep the dogs in their homes to chase away this kind of vagabonds. So how can actually a sadhu devotee approach the people nowadays? That's why we have to meet them on the street. The preaching strategy has to be adjusted. Instead of going to their homes, we have to meet when they are outside, because in their homes they keep so much protection, dogs and everything. So the Lord's mercy to give to the people, we have to meet them when they are not so-called protected. They think that the dogs is going to protect them, or the police or the alarm or so many things are going to protect, but ultimately Mare Krishna Rakhe Ke, Rakhe Krishna Mare Ke. If Krishna wants, if Lord Gauranga Krishna wants that we are killed or there is some robbery, then nobody can stop it. Even if there are millions of alarms and millions of soldiers protecting us, nobody can stop that. And if the Lord does not want, then even if there is no protection, no material protection, still we will be protected because of the desire of the Lord. So, and when will the Lord desire our protection? And He will give us protection when we chant His holy names, when we render devotional service to Him. So the real protection is kirtana, is bhajana, bhakti. That is real protection, not only of the soul as well as the body. Because when one is engaged in bhajana, in chanting, in worshipping the Lord, at that time, even if one dies, still one will not get another disastrous body in this material world. One will go to the spiritual kingdom where there is no birth, no old age, no disease and death. So that is protection. Immediately one will become protected. It is not that a devotee does not have to die. A devotee also will die to give up, shed this body. But the protection comes, the protection that the soul, from the soul directly goes into a spiritual body. That there is no birth, no old age, no disease. And that is called protection. Of course, the devotee is protected throughout this life also by the Lord, His holy names. But at the end, also, the devotee achieves the eternal spiritual realm which is full of bliss that the soul originally belongs. So they were telling them that to get them arrested, they come next time. What is foolishness? The king of all kings, Lord Nityananda, is coming to them and they are saying, we'll get you arrested from the king. Soldier. Who can arrest? Nobody can. If they try to arrest him, he will expand into his universal form. Vishwarup. When he came to Jagannath Puri, Nityananda Prabhu, he directly became so ecstatic on seeing Baladev that he directly jumped on the altar, described in Chaitanya Bhagavat, and he embraced his own form of Lord Baladev.
In Jagannath Puri?
In Jagannath Puri, in the temple.
Where?
In the temple.
Which?
Jagannath temple.
Oh, Jagannath.
He saw the three forms of Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra. He saw his own form of Baladev. So he remembered his own pastimes in Vrajadham as Baladev. So immediately he jumped on the altar and he embraced his form of Baladev. And when he embraced the Pandas, they tried to arrest him. They sent the soldiers. And Lord Nityananda just gave a brush of his hand like this. And all those who came to arrest him, they flew outside the temple. And they were thrown apart, long way, far away. And because Nityananda's power, he's holding all the universes in their air. Dharami, Ojasam, so much power he has, cannot imagine. When Duryodhana was not returning, Samba, Lakshmana, then Lord Nityananda Balaram went outside Hastinapur, and with the plough he dragged the whole Hastinapur into the ocean. Everyone was shaking with fear. How much power he has. What is this? What to speak of the small city of Hastinapur? Lord Balaram, Lord Nityananda had the power to the whole universe. He can dissolve the whole universe. And these foolish people want to send a police behind him. What an irony. And they don't realize who has come at their door. Text 29. Shuni Shuni Nityananda Haridasa Hase Chaitanya Ragya Bale Napai Tarase. On hearing such foolish talk and totally foolish, foolhardy kind of talk, Nityananda and Haridas started smiling. because they understood they know their own real position. Actually, externally they are smiling, but internally they are sad, seeing the unfortunate position of this soul.